My son, remember what I said. Keep the truth within your heart. For length of days and peace will grow when love and mercy never rest. Write them deep upon your heart. Wear them close where all can see. Favor and grace will crown your life before your God and humanity. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Don't lean on what you understand. In every path acknowledge Him, and He will guide your trembling hand. He will guide your trembling hand. Don't be wise in your own eyes. Let holy fear light up your road. Turn from the shadows that deceive, and strength will fill your weary bones. Honor the Lord with what you gain. Give the first and not the least. Your bonds will overflow with joy. Your cup will run with heaven's peace. He disciplines the one He loves as fathers do their precious sons. In every tear, in every trial, He shapes the soul for life begun. Happy the one who finds her light, wisdom shining pure as gold. More than silver, more than rubies bright, she brings peace that can't be sold. All her paths are sweet and kind, a tree of life for hearts aligned. By wisdom, God laid earth's first stone. By knowledge hung the sky so wide. The rivers dance, the clouds release. The heavens bloom where truth abides. Keep these words before your eyes. Let discretion guard your way. Then peace will walk beside your dreams, and fear will fade at break of day. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Let wisdom lead, let mercy stay. Be humble, kind, and just in part, and grace will crown your every day. For the wise inherit glory's flame, and the fools will hide their shame. Oh Lord, direct my path again. everywhere.